Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change your phone number on Agoda. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to agoda.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you do not have one, you can always go and register to Agoda. But if you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Agoda videos where you can actually see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we have in front of us. So here we have different options. So we have the hotels and homes where you can go click on and see which hotels and homes are available. We have transport, we have flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. Also, we have coupons and deals, which is new. You can go and check out which coupons and deals they have. Also, we have the apartments where you can go and choose apartment from here. And in the top right corner, we have list your place, where you can actually go and list your place on this website. Also here, we have the suggested languages, where we have different kind of languages that you can choose from. We have the currency, where you can choose the different currencies that you can choose from. And we have the shopping cart, where all of the things that you want will be stored. In the top right corner, also, we have your account with bookings, property messages, Agoda Cash, cashback rewards, Agoda VIP, save property list, reviews, points max, profile, and sign out buttons. Also, we have the settings where we can change, as we know, language and the currency. But now let's see how you can change your phone number on Agoda. The first thing that you need to do is go to the top right corner again, click on your account, then click on your profile. When you're here, your phone number will be here, guys. It's not added for me at the moment, but if you add it, you can then this add button will be an edit button and you can just edit it then in that case. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.